This video I will explain how to choose the right health insurance plan. Choosing a health insurance plan means selecting a policy that will pay for your medical expenses when you are sick, injured, or need a hospital care. If you pick the right plan, you will save money, get better treatment, and avoid financial stress. Step 1. Understand what health insurance is. Health insurance is an agreement between you and an insurance company. You pay a small amount regularly and it is called a premium. The company pays your hospital bills and treatment cost when needed. Step 2. You have to know why you need it. Medical treatment is expensive. A good plan protects your savings, gives access to good hospitals, covers major illness, and provides a cashless treatment. Cashless treatment means you don't pay at the hospital immediately. Step 3. Decide the right coverage amount. The sum insured is the maximum amount the insurance company will pay in a year. How to choose? For individual, minimum 5 to 10 lakh. Basic protection in many cities. For family, 10 to 20 lakh or more, depending on the lifestyle and city. Why this is important? A low cover may finish in one hospital visit. Step 4. Check who is covered. You have to choose between individual plan and family floater plan. In case of individual plan, it covers only one person. In case of family floater plan, it covers you, spouse and children. All share the same sum insured. Family floater plan is more affordable for families. Step 5. Look at the network hospitals. Network hospitals are the hospitals that have a tie-up with the insurance company. Benefit: you get a cashless treatment, meaning the insurance company pays the hospital directly. Always check good hospitals near your home are included. Step 6. You have to understand the waiting period. The waiting period is the time during which some illnesses are not covered. Common types are initial waiting period, first 30 days, pre-existing disease waiting period. For illness you already have, choose a plan with a shorter waiting period. Step 7. Check pre-existing disease coverage. A pre-existing disease is the health problem you already have, like diabetes, thyroid, and blood pressure. Important thing is you have to see how many years you must wait before it is covered. Step 8. Look at the premium, but do not choose only by the price. Premium is the amount you pay for the policy. Do not choose a plan only because it is cheap. A very low premium may mean low coverage and many restrictions. Balance between premium, what you pay, and benefits, what you get. Step 9. You have to understand co-payment and sublimits. Co-payment: the percentage of the bill you must pay from your pocket. For example, if there is a 20% co-payment, then you have to pay 20% and insurance company will pay 80%. Lower co-payment is better. Sublimits: a fixed limit on certain expenses like room rent, surgery, ambulance. Higher or no sublimits are better. Step 10. Check room rent eligibility. Many plans limit the hospital room you can choose. If the limit is low, you must pay extra. Choose a plan with single private room eligibility or no room rent limit. Step 11. See the claim settlement ratio. The claim settlement ratio shows how many claims the company successfully paid. Higher ratio means the company is more trustworthy. Step 12. Look for lifetime renewability. This means you can renew the policy at any age. This is very important for old age. Step 13. Check daycare treatments. Daycare treatments are procedures that do not require 24-hour hospital stay, like cataract surgery, chemotherapy. A good plan covers many daycare treatments. Step 14. Read what is not covered. Every plan has exclusions. These are treatments the policy will not pay for. Always read this section carefully. Step 15. Bonus and no claim benefit. If you do not make a claim, you get a no claim bonus. This increases your sum insured without increasing the premium. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine you have two plans. Plan A, cheap premium, 3 lakh coverage. Plan B, slightly higher premium, 10 lakh coverage, and cashless in good hospitals. Plan B is better because one major surgery can cost more than 3 lakh. So the golden rule is the right health insurance plan is the one that gives high coverage, has fewer restrictions, includes good hospitals near you, is affordable for long-term renewal, not the cheapest plan. Now we will see simple step-by-step method to choose the right health insurance. Decide coverage amount, choose individual or family plan, check nearby network hospitals, compare waiting periods, look at co-payment and sublimits, check claim settlement ratio, and compare premium versus benefits.